Forex trading involves risk and may not be suitable for all investors.
One of the revolutionary concepts we wanted to develop at Forex Diversified is to keep you informed weekly. Knowledge is power. Every Friday at the close of the trading week, we will conduct a live online webinar in which we review the week's trading results, what's happening in the markets, and how some of the global and domestic dynamics of the markets can affect not only your trading account, but also other aspects of your life, such as how a weakening US dollar may lead to inflated costs for food, fuel, and even weaken your purchasing power due to high government spending. We'll also take a look at economic data and how that might affect your current job and introduce additional opportunities to stay diversified and help lead you to redemption from the lost decade. For all prospective clients, we have a new client webinar every Wednesday, and at both weekly webinars we will answer questions that you've got. In addition to the weekly webinars, we will send out a weekly newsletter every Friday that will again encompass the weekly trading results and the market news for the week. Of course, the weekly webinars will be archived for a few weeks so that you can watch them when your schedule permits.